What's up everybody, welcome to a new video, and today it will be an update on Cardano because for the past couple of hours this coin is going up really well and we are about to retest this bearish order block, which is super important in the long-term perspective. So if you are interested what I'm currently thinking about this coin and what is the exact price that I'm expecting this coin is gonna hit, then definitely watch this video till the end. Before this video continues, I just want to let you know that this YouTube channel is directly connected with my Discord trading group. So if you want to know about the exact setups and exact trades that I'm taking, then definitely don't forget to join, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. Let's start today on the 1 hour chart. As I said in the intro, we are about to retest this bearish order block area, which is between level 0.7554 and 0.7386. And if there will be breakout with a support confirmation, this will be first, in my opinion, interesting opportunity to get into a long position on this coin. Stop loss, in this case, you need to place under this area because if there will be breakdown with resistance confirmation, then the price is probably going down, so you don't want to hold your losing position longer than is necessary. And to elastic profit targets, you can then place under this previous high, which will give us a potential trade with risk-reward ratio 22. In this case, the risk-reward ratio is high because we are using really small stop loss. The potential profit here is around 54% of a net market, which is a, let's say, normal profit that I'm aiming with my positions. But if you don't want to have, let's say, that high risk with that low stop loss, you can, for example, place the stop loss around like 5%, something like that, which will give you a risk reward ratio around 10, and still this will be really amazing trade. In this case, if I'm gonna switch on the 4-hour chart, you want to take your elastic profit target slightly above this bearish order block, and you also want to take multiple take profit targets. So some of the profits you, for example, want to take under like this previous highs, this bearish order block, under the second one, for example, in this area, and then you want to save some back to elastic profit target. So in the end, from the risk reward ratio like 10.5, the risk reward ratio will be more like 7, something like that, which is, in my opinion, still really great. And if you want to copy my exact trades, or if you want to just follow my analysis, don't forget to join my Discord trading group where I'm sharing these types of setups every single day, and link to join is in the description or in the comments. To be honest, that setup is not the only one that I'm currently watching on Cardano, because the current market is really undervalued, and I'm still counting with a scenario for a last liquidity grab. So if we will see a drop under this bullish order block, which is on the 4-hour chart between level 0.7035 and 0.6823, and then there will be a support confirmation in this area, this will be, in my opinion, absolutely perfect long entry. Stop loss, in this case, you want to place under the low that we will create during the fake out, elastic profit target above this bearish order block area, because with this trade on the 4-hour chart, well, yes, you can place it also above this bearish order block, but with, like, let's say, a lot of take profit targets, as in the previous trade, you want to aim till this area. So some profits, in this case, you want to take, for example, like under this previous high, these highs, this high, under this bearish order block slightly above, and then you want to save some back to elastic profit targets, or you can take all profits, let's say, under this previous high, so profit around 47% of a net market, because in this second scenario we are aiming for almost 70%, which is with, let's say, stop loss, for example, around 4.3%. Well, this is really risky, but well, there is still some probability that this trade will end up in a profit, and with risk reward ratio 16 with multiple take profit targets around, let's say, 11-12, something like that, this is absolutely amazing trading setup. But always, as I said, there are certain conditions that need to be met before I'm entering any of my trades. So guys, keep in mind that this is not a signal, and I am sharing all of my trades on my Discord trading group. As I said, link to join is in the description or in the comments. And also be aware, on my Discord there are right now a lot of scammers that are pretending to be me. So if you will ever receive message from an account that looks like mine, keep in mind that that's a scam, and I have my main only account, and well, this account you can find on that Discord group. So yeah guys, just keep this in mind and be careful. If we will take a look on a daily time frame, we can see that Cardano is still doing kinda good if we are gonna compare it to another altcoins. I know that, for example, altcoins like XRP are much more ahead, but a lot of altcoins are right now testing almost its all-time low. And so we can see that from like this low, of course, we had here a pump around like 370%, but right now we are still up around like 165. Of course, if you are holding Cardano in the long term and you are buying this coin somewhere around here, right now you are still in a huge loss. In my opinion, it's only a matter of time until we will see another huge pump. So I'm right now thinking about accumulating this coin to my long-term portfolio, because in the long-term perspective, this is, in my opinion, really undervalued, and this coin is having really strong support in the White House, because yeah, this coin will be part of the US crypto reserve. So in my opinion, in the long-term perspective, this can be absolutely amazing bet. So yeah, I will be thinking right now about placing this coin to my mid-term or like long-term portfolio, because in the long-term perspective, I still think that we can break this previous high, which will be from this level still a pump around like 320%, and from this low it will be a pump around almost, let's say, yeah, more than 1000%, which is really great. On the daily time frame, if you want to take here some trading position, then you can set a limit order just above this bullish order block area, and the trade can look exactly like this. So potential stop loss around 12%, potential profit around 115, risk reward ratio 9.1. So with multiple take profit targets, we will get again to really amazing trades. So some of the profits, for example, like under this high, this previous like candles, this high, and then you want to save some back to elastic profit target. So risk reward ratio around 6, maybe 5.5, something like that, which is again really great setup. So on a daily time frame, you can, for example, take this trade, but keep also in mind that take, let's say, wise risk management, because for a trade like this, because this is on a daily time frame, I will probably risk more, so something around like 3 to 5% of my trading capital. But for that trades on that 4 hour or daily time frame, I would risk something around like 1 to 2 or 3% from my trading portfolio, something like that. So yeah, you always need to adjust those position size according time frame you are trading on. So yeah, guys, this will be all from me for today. Definitely let me know in the comments what are your exact thoughts about Cardano, and if you are interested about more content, definitely join my Discord trading group, because I'm sharing there much more every single day. Link to join is in the description or in the comments. So hey guys, this will be all from me for today. Thank you for watching this video, and I will see you in the next one. See ya.